This Remax Realty Professionals property video is presented by Linda Joachim. Immaculate maintenance-free condo located in Brighton Point Villa, a quiet community convenient to all Eastside amenities, campus and downtown Bloomington. This well-maintained home includes a remodeled master bath, as well as recent updates in the kitchen. The main level offers a split-bedroom floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and an abundance of expansive windows. From the oversized foyer, one can see the large great room with a gas log fireplace. This home is perfect for entertaining. The open concept allows plenty of room for large family and holiday gatherings. The updated spacious kitchen with new appliances has plenty of workspace, a planning desk area, and lots of cabinets. The master suite is on the main level and allows for privacy when having guests. An additional bed and bath on the upper level provides private guest space. The seller is a retired artist and used the upper-level bedroom as a studio alongside great storage in the extra space. The backyard is lined with trees. Come take a look at this condo in an ideal, peaceful setting with many thoughtful upgrades.